It's 2018. We got something bigger and grander for you guys.
Ooh, much grander scale.
Much grander scales?
Yeah.
I think we're going to do a little bit bigger this year. You know, 2018.
Started off with a
a bang. Oh, snap. But let's cut back to the beginning of the trip. I was about to do it. All right, so we're on our way to the Grand Canyon, but our first stop is the Hoover Dam.
God damn it.
I think they might be scared of heights, and guess what I made them do? No? You're not scared of heights?
No, I didn't think...
Oh, she might be scared of heights.
Yeah. Good thing we brought the parachute.
Just check out what we have her on right now. We just took her to the tallest bridge we could find. Oh my God. Let's go over there.
To try to get a little thing on. Strange expressions on his face is showing.
Howdy partners. We ended up at the Hoover Dam. It's only 40 minutes away from Las Vegas, so I suggest coming out here if you want something to do. Impressions of the dam?
So I'll rate this 6 out of 10. I mean, if I had a parachute, maybe we could make something happen, but you know, fortunately they were all sold out today, so.
There's no parachute, guys. There's no parachutes. Out here getting fake news.
Can't believe I'm on the sets of San Andreas, you guys. I think this is actually one of the sections. If you take a look around, I think this is where the little girl was hiding before they came to rescue her.
We're having a damn great day. Oh, we're about to listen to the Damn album. Damn great time.
I've been having a goddamn great time right now in this damn place we call the damn tour. Damn.
Are you having a damn-tastic day?
Damn-tastic day.
Here in the USA.
Oh, hell no, you guys are not looking at the stairs.
So we're done with the dam today. Now we're going to the
Grand
Canyon. Grand Canyon.
What they do?
So we're 5 minutes out from the Grand Canyon. We should be there soon. The weather doesn't look that bad, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be kind of cold out there.
Hey, tennis your change in your maps. This is your pass. Tape this to the windshield, driver's side. Pass is good for 7 days.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
Too. Finally at the Grand Canyon. We are tired. It was a 4-hour drive. 3 hours from the last time you saw us at the dam.
Damn.
Damn. Still with the puns. If anyone's complained the most, I think it's Anthony. He's not too happy.
You're talking about sleeping the most here. Day 25.
Day 25.
Still on the road.
Still on the road. Writing on his journal.
Dear journal, Mr. Zelaya, still driving on the same damn road.
So now we just gotta take a little walk towards the rim of the Grand Canyon. The rim, yeah. Those Chris Angel jokes, right? Oh yeah, we saw Chris Angel, by the way. This trip was basically LA to Las Vegas, and then from Las Vegas to the Grand Canyon, and then we're gonna do the Grand Canyon all the way back to Las Vegas. Can you believe that? Oh my god.
Because someone told Jackie we're staying another night.
She don't know yet. She don't know yet. She can't. She got a job interview. She gotta be a responsible human being. Alright. So let me just tell you why you should come here instead of Grand Canyon West. So this is the national park we're at right now. This entry to this park, $30 for a car. Not for each individual. It's $30 for the car. Everyone comes in the car. That's it. That's all you pay. If you go to the Grand Canyon West, you're gonna end up paying, if I recall, like 120 or 80 to 120 bucks, because you have to pay for admission per person, and then you gotta pay if you want to do the all-out thing, the skywalk. Ooh, skywalk. That's where you walk on a bridge made out of glass. Hell yeah. But guess what? You gotta pay additional price to just do that. And that's not necessarily even the national park. That's part of a Indian tribe. So that's their territory. They own that. So they're gonna charge the hell out of you. These times I'm quoting you are from Las Vegas to the Grand Canyon. So you can do Las Vegas to the Grand Canyon West in about an hour to 2 hours. That sounds more convenient, right? But the price. Or you can do an additional, let's say 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
2 hours, yeah.
And then you save some money and you're probably gonna get a better view. Alright, let's just jump to the transition because I'm tired. Whew.
I didn't raise no fools and I should know that baby you got it. That's all I can say for you. Got soul, too much soul, foxy clothes, the cutest nose, a groovy set. There's nothing fake about you, baby you got it.
We made it to the Grand Canyon. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's the Grand Canyon. Ain't it grand? More puns? No. Look what I'm about to walk out to, man. Look at this, man. Ooh, this is dangerous. I better pay attention to the ground first before I pay attention to the camera. Oh my god. This is kind of scary. My hand is kind of trembling a little bit. My hand is trembling a little bit. Look at what we're doing right now. I'll show you Jackie's point of view. And she's recording. I don't know if she's about to come out here, but I am trembling out of fear. I'm kind of scared of heights. Not like, you know, I'm a freak out, but there's a slight fear of heights. Interesting fact, I wanted to be a pilot though. Let's get out of here. So a great or good thing about this is there's no limitations as far as how close you can get to the edge. They just let you do what you want, obviously, at your own discretion, because you might die. Yeah. Like this idiot right here.
Can you jump it? Take one.
Oh my. This is actually, out of all the things that we've done together, dude, I think this is the first time I see you just wander off and look on your own. So which, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but you're intrigued.
I had to look, man.
You're intrigued by the big ass hole in the ground.
I had to see what else.
I do apologize if it's a little grainy. We're losing a lot of sunlight and a lot of our daylight because it's getting dark. The sun is setting. That's usually what happens, right? Okay. We made it out of the Grand Canyon. We're gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. It really means a lot. And thank you for watching. All right. Peace out, mother.